Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. Higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul. Well, girl, 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 you gonna set me